Hello, my friends. It's Betty McKnit. If you've been itching to make that viral 6-day star blanket or try the 6-day superstar or supernova, this is your sign. Star Blanket September is here, and you're invited to crochet along with me. All month long, we'll be working together on the 6-day star family of blankets. They're perfect for stash busting, stress relief, and making something beautiful for yourself or for someone you love. Whether you're brand new to 6-day crochet, or you've made a dozen 6-day star blankets already, you'll find this project so fun and totally adaptable. Here's what you can expect from Star Blanket September. We will have live interactive crochet sessions on YouTube and TikTok where I'll crochet along with you and answer all your questions. After every live, we'll have a members only Zoom hangout in my membership community, the Betty McKnitiverse, with live support and bonus pattern variations. You'll get emails throughout the month with event reminders, tips and tricks for your projects, and freebies like stitch and day tracker cards and a fun star crown hat. You will have access to lively communities. We have a home-based community just for this crochet along, and also a Facebook group where you can share progress and ask questions. The full schedule of all our live streams and follow-up members only Zoom calls is on my website, starblanketseptember.com. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and or follow me on TikTok so you don't miss any of these live events. We will be closing the month on September 30th with the Ultimate 6-Day Star Blanket Party on a live. It'll be a big wrap-up celebration, so make sure you mark your calendars for that and all our live events this month. Let's talk about materials that you'll need for the crochet along. The first step you'll want to take is to choose a pattern. All of the star blanket patterns are free on my website. I have some articles on my blog that talk about the different star blanket variations you can make and their different features. You can make these blankets with pretty much any yarn, so you have lots of choices. The 6-Day Star Blanket is the ultimate stash buster, so shop your stash and find something you've really been wondering what you should do with it. All the yardage estimates are listed in the different patterns, but a rough guide for DK weight, you'll need about 1600 yards for a 40-inch baby blanket and about 2800 yards for a 60-inch throw. For worsted weight, it'll be about 1500 yards for a 40-inch baby blanket and 2500 yards for a 60-inch throw. Now, the beauty of this pattern is you can start in the middle and keep going until you run out of yarn or until it's as big as you want. So keep that in mind when you are thinking about yardage. There are lots and lots of ways to stripe these blankets. You can use as many or as few colors as you want. I love a gradient for those dreamy transitions and bright colors like my all-time favorite Noro yarns. There are just so many amazing choices out there, so just go with what inspires you. Now for hooks, you'll need to have 3 hooks on hand. Start with the hook that's recommended on the yarn label and have one half a millimeter larger than that and a third one half millimeter larger than that. You'll need some options for tension and to alleviate curling. You don't want to get that bubble in the middle of your blanket. You want it to lay completely flat. So you'll need to have some different hook sizes on hand to adjust your tension in the start of the blanket. Check out my website for a brand new product that I just created and launched with my team. It's the 6-Day Star Blanket Planner, your companion guide to your 6-Day Star Blanket masterpiece. I am so proud of this resource that we created. It's full of trackers, guides, even a coloring page to help you plan and track your star blanket projects. I'll include links to the planner and also a special offer to join the Betty McKnitiverse, my membership community, at a special introductory rate. And I've also put together an exclusive bundle for this month that includes the 6-Day Star, Superstar, and Supernova patterns, the planner, 2 months in the Betty McKnitiverse, and a limited edition canvas project bag. Here's how you can join and participate in Star Blanket September. First, Sign up for Star Blanket September emails to get all the freebies, the stitch trackers, and the live stream reminders. Join one of my communities where you can ask questions and get help with all your projects throughout the month and show off your progress and your finished makes. Join Star Blanket September Home Base. It's free, or the 6-Day Crochet Facebook group. And we'll put the links for that in the description of this video. If you want the extra support, join my premium membership community, the Betty McKnitiverse, where you'll have access to exclusive 6-day pattern variations, 8-pointed and 16-pointed versions, and you'll be able to take part in those members only Zooms after each live stream. All month long, crochet along with us on live streams and post your progress photos in our communities or on your social media channels. Use the hashtag StarBlanketSept, SEPT 25, and tag me, Betty McKnit, so that I can share and celebrate your beautiful creations. Finally, we have an exciting social media contest for you. You can submit your best social media posts, and you and your friends can vote for your favorites. We will choose a few winners from the entries with the highest votes to win a gift from me, and I'll put a link for that also in the description of this video for you. One of my favorite things about crochet is the calm and joy it brings to my life, and I'll bring my somatic crochet tips for being intentional about what and how we create, and taking moments to breathe and take care of our bodies, and cultivating good thoughts and feelings as we crochet. So gather your yarn, choose your colors, and come make stars with us. Sign up, follow the schedule in home base or on my website, and use the hashtag to connect. I can't wait to see what you make. Let's make some magic this Star Blanket September. See you on the live stream. Bring your hooks, your stories, and your stash. Bye for now.